An automated teller machine, ATM, allows customers to perform banking transactions without needing a human teller. Here's how it works, step by step. Inserting the card. The user inserts their bank card, debit, credit, into the ATM. The card contains a magnetic stripe or chip, EMV, that stores the user's account information, including the card number. PIN entry. The customer is then prompted to enter their personal identification number, which acts as a security measure to ensure that the person using the card is authorized. Data transmission. Once the card is inserted and the PIN is entered, the ATM sends the user's information securely to the bank's central computer through the ATM network. Authentication and verification. The bank's system checks if the entered PIN matches the one associated with the card and verifies the account details. The ATM displays a menu of options such as withdraw money, take cash out of the account, deposit money, insert cash or checks to add to the account, and check account balance, display the amount of money in the account, and transfer funds, move money between different accounts, and other services. Some ATMs also allow bill payments, mobile recharge, or printing statements. If a withdrawal is selected, the ATM checks the account balance to see if sufficient funds are available. If the deposit option is chosen, the ATM uses scanners to count the cash or checks deposited. For balance inquiries or transfers, the ATM retrieves real-time information from the bank. Cash dispenser. If the user selects a cash withdrawal, the ATM calculates the amount, and the cash dispenser module counts the notes and dispenses them to the customer. Rejection of invalid notes. The machine verifies the denominations, and any counterfeit or damaged notes are rejected. After the transaction, the ATM offers an option to print a receipt. The receipt provides details like the transaction type, amount withdrawn or deposited, account balance, and time. The ATM asks the user if they want to perform another transaction. Once the session is over, the card is returned or the user can remove it, and the ATM logs out of the account to maintain security. In summary, an ATM is a secure and automated machine that interacts with a bank's server to allow users to access banking services using card authentication and encrypted communication. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, comment, and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell so you never miss a new video.